I want to show you now a very powerful feature that really sets the new version of GDSLAB apart from the old version, whereby we can run dynamic tests and the real-time graphs keep up. Whether you remember the old version where it might take some time, there was some lag for data to enter into the computer and be displayed on the screen. Here I've got an EMDCSS again. I'm just going to restart the test. So I've just cleared all the details, and I'm going to run a dynamic test, dynamic cyclic loading. I'm fairly well set up already because the software remembers the values from the previous test. So we're going to run load control on the axial. So current is 0.92 kilonewtons. We'll use that initial value. Just going to go up and down by 0.2 of a kilonewton. Stiffness estimate, I know 0.5 is about right on this sand that I have. And I'm just going to run at half a hertz, 100 points per cycle. Let's get that test running. If I do start, we will see axial load, horizontal displacement. We're running at half a hertz, 10 cycles, so it should take 20 seconds. So when 20 seconds is up, the test will be over. And you can see that the graph's perfectly happy with that data rate. There's no additional graphs on the screen. It's the very, very standard graphs that we see when we're running a static test. To really prove the point, let me copy that test to a new one. Let's run it a bit faster, 1 hertz, and let's actually go full data rate, 1000 points per cycle. So we're running at a kilohertz. Apply that. Everything else exactly the same. I'm just going to run the test at a kilohertz. If I start that, so 1 hertz, it looks as though my stiffness estimate could be slightly better there, but we can see a nice test is run. If I zoom in, let me zoom into this part of the graph. Now it's finished, and we can see the resolution of the data is such that we have 1 microsecond between each data point, and it kept up perfectly. You can drag other graphs across and see also the difference there between the two tests. One was running at 100 points per cycle and one was running at 1000 points per cycle. So very nice, very simple, much simpler than the old version of the software. Straightforward. Very, very pleased with that.